Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I will quickly show you how to resolve this issue in case your iPhone has frozen and you're trying to enter the password and your Face ID works. So what you're going to do to resolve this issue on your iPhone, in our case we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I'm going to go ahead and switch it off here and try to enter the sequence. You're going to click volume up key, volume down, and the power key. So I'm going to click the volume down and this, the way I've said. Then you hold, when it comes to this point, you just have to hold it and to restart again, as we're going to see. When the phone goes off, you just raise the button and to come back and power on again, as you can see. So what you're going to do next, you're going to wait for the phone to power on and to take a few seconds according to your phone. So I'm going to wait and see how we resolve this issue. So right now I'm going to, now it works. You can enter the password, you can turn on the torch. So last time it was frozen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my password and then the phone unlocks. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon or that get notified whenever I upload this free video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.